Autoreload of modules in IPython. Is there a way to have IPython automatically reload all changed code? Either before each line is executed in the shell, or failing that when it is specifically requested to. I'm doing a lot of exploratory programming using IPython and SciPy, and it's quite a pain to have to manually reload each module whenever I change it.
For IPython version 3.1, 4.x, and 5.x. Then your module will be auto-reloaded by default. This is the doc. There is a trick. When you forget all of the above when using IPython, just try.
As mentioned above, you need the Autoreload extension. If you want it to automatically start every time you launch IPython, you need to add it to the IPython_config.py startup file. It may be necessary to generate one first. Then include these lines in .ipython/profile_default/ipython_config.py. As well as an optional warning in case you need to take advantage of compiled Python code in .pyc files. Edit. The above works with version 0.12.1 and 0.13.
Revised. Please see Andrew_1510's answer below, as IPython has been updated. It was a bit hard figure out how to get there from a dusty bug report, but it ships with IPython now. Then every time you call your _mod.dwim, it'll pick up the latest version.
If you add file IPython_config.py into the /.ipython/profile_default directory with lines like below, then the auto-reload functionality will be loaded on IPython startup. Tested on 2.0.0.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.